Some new information about overdose deaths in Nashville. The vast majority of people with traces of fentanyl in their system. Leaders say it shows the need for changes at the southern border. Nicole Smith joins us with the latest data.
Hey, good morning, Neil. One of those leaders is Tennessee Congressman Mark Green, who was part of a hearing in Texas to call attention to the situation at the southern border. Now, according to Metro Public Health, there have been 103 suspected overdose deaths in Nashville as of March 4th. That's compared to 136 during the same time period in 2022. Fentanyl was detected in more than 73% of suspected overdose deaths in Nashville. Tennessee will share in a $275 million grant from the federal government to help law enforcement disrupt drug trafficking operations and, in turn, hurt the drug cartel's bottom line. Congressman Mark Green is the new chairman of the House Homeland Security Committee, and last week he took the whole committee to McAllen, Texas, to examine border issues. During the meeting, he criticized Democrats who are not in attendance. He spoke on the flow of fentanyl coming into the United States.
To use a military term, the cartels are neutralizing Customs and Border Patrol by forcing them to thin the lines in the rural areas. Then the fentanyl and the nefarious individuals they're trafficking into the United States come across in the rural areas. Let's look at this El Paso mass wave that attempted to come across. It required a massive response from Customs and Border Patrol, concentrating our forces in their diversionary attack. I can only imagine what they snuck around the ports of entry while those agents were blocking the mass waves of people.
Here in Nashville, there have been more than 1,300 suspected overdoses so far this year, which is almost the same number for the first 2 months of 2022. Nikki.